Welcome to my new listing at 197 Delaney Drive in the heart of Ajax. It's now available for you to check it out. I am Yasir Khan from Remax Impact. This two-story detached home is minutes to 401 Go Station, 407 world-class shopping, restaurants, parks and recreational facilities. If you have been looking for a detached home in Ajax area, this home is ideal for first-time home buyers and investors considering income potentials and its closeness to everything. Please watch the virtual tour. Call me today for more information or book your private showing. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon. Take care.